is up. Ceiling is up. A good day today. I hope you guys are doing good. I had a job interview today, and I feel like it went extremely well. I didn't realize that this position was going to be for their brand new, remodeled, state of the art kitchen that they're finished building in the next week or so. Brand new kitchen, brand new appliances. In the door with the forming of a new menu that I would get to be a part of planning and creating dishes. It's a breakfast and lunch only establishment that also does catered events. I'm really excited. I hope I get this job. It pays quite a bit more than the jail, but I don't think it has benefits. I'm not sure. I should have asked, but I forgot. I was too excited about the prospects of working in a brand new kitchen, the brand new menu. So I hope that works out well, because I'm so tired of the jail. I'm so tired of that kitchen. I'd get to use a knife again. I wouldn't have to lock every door that I go in and out of. Send me good luck vibes, guys. Because that way you won't have to listen to me complain about my job anymore. That'll probably be a relief for most of you. I'm sure most of you are like, dude, we know you hate your job. Just open the box. I'll get to the box. Waffleopagus. I decided to waffleopagus this bad boy. And it's got a current PPG of like 50 or 55 bucks. So I decided for the community to just waffle it straight. No 35% markup. Just PPG plus shipping. So $6 a spot. Sold out pretty quick. Which doesn't surprise me. What doesn't surprise me either is that I'm blurry. I don't understand. Sometimes it doesn't do that. I mean, I didn't even hold the thing right up to the camera. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe there's like an intermediate stage that causes it to be blurry. Let's experiment. Let's put it right up there. Boom. Frank and Freddy. Reflection. Oh, we got stuff coming. Not much. Tall Man's signed mystery box should be coming later this week. Nerd merch shop coming later this week. And that's it. That's all we got coming. I wish I had that Pop King Paul box coming. I'm sure people are going to be getting that pretty soon. I'm excited to watch people open them up. You know, one of the things, the $750 Smile one, I've only seen like 2 or 3 people open it up. I was hoping there'd be more. But I'm sure there's going to be some people opening up the $700 box. Probably Wide World of Gamers got one. He likes the high-end boxes. I don't know. I don't know anybody that got one. $700 box. Remember, I wrote down the hits. If I got it, the one that I would want the most, well, I'd be torn, because the potential of making nice chunk of money would be there. But it did have the patina Batman, not the Gemini exclusive one, but the other one that's worth $630. But man, that Joker 2-pack, that thing is ridiculous in price right now. And I don't know if it's going to stay that way. It's the thing, because PPG is kind of funky right now. But some of the older ones, the Stormtrooper, Skywalker, and Solo, those things are close to $1,000. And if you've watched the previous videos, there's a Sith. All I did, I wrote down Sith. I don't know which Sith it is, but the Sith that is available is $1,320. Now it's interesting that I watched a video today from Franchise Kicks, and apparently the grails that are in this mystery box used to be his. He did a trade with Paul, and he opened up 2 boxes that had a total value of $7,000 on a video. Which apparently, if you watch that video and like it, there's going to be some type of donation thing. I can't remember who the donation is, but go check out Franchise Kicks, $7,000 Pop King Paul box. And apparently, if you do and like the video, the ad revenue generated from that particular video is going to be donated to a good cause. So help out a good cause. Oh yeah, I'm not wearing a hoodie today. It's a casual restaurant, so I dressed casual. I think that's fine. I think it would have been very awkward, and it would have created a way more formal interview if I would have worn a shirt and tie. I mean, growing up, you always wore a shirt and tie to an interview, no matter if it was for McDonald's or a paper route. That doesn't go that way anymore. I remember working at Circle K, and people would come in to interview wearing t-shirts and baseball hats, and they'd get the job. So I guess things have changed. Onto the box. This is not Funko's, or well, it's not Funko Pops. It is Funko. There's a pre-order for this from Smyworld. I try to get the majority of my pre-orders through Smyworld because I think they're an amazing company. And if I don't get it through Smyworld, I get it through Spastic. Those are my go-tos. However, Monthly Pops also has a lot of things for pre-order. And if you do see something you want to pre-order from Monthly Pops, make sure you use this code, because you will get 10% off of your purchase. That's really legit. I'm not just saying that. So if you see something that Monthly Pops has for sale, use that code. Save a few bucks. Why not? Anyway, this is something that I pre-ordered from them a while back. I'm really excited to open these up, see what I got. This was an investment. I'm not keeping these. Just let you know that right away. I bought it for the experience of opening them up, and I got it to sell. So there you go. Invoice. Okay. We got a box in a box. Spyro needs stickers. I saw some of the $750 boxes. There was like a sticker or a decal or something. I want a Smyworld sticker. But as you can see, we got the Marvel Zombies, 12 piece per case. Now, how the mystery mini things work is there's a lot of commons, 1 out of 6 or something like that. I don't know how the numbers work. But then there's some very rare ones. So we're hoping to get the rare ones. I don't remember what they were or are, but we should be able to see when we open this up. Because I think they list the odds on the boxes. And, okay, I was going to say, we have another box in a box. Oh, here we go. Oh, you got a display thing. Oh, that's cool. So I basically bought like a retail display stand. Let's see if I can get the whole thing out. I know. Awkward. Oh yeah. There you go. Step right up, step right up. It's a pretty cool little box. Deadpool, Hulk, Wolverine, Gambit. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up. See which ones we got. So it looks like there's 12 possibilities. The most rare one is a black and white Hulk, zombie Hulk, which is, you have a 1 in 72 chance, I guess that means. I don't know. There's a Black Panther, rest in peace. There's a black and white Gambit. I don't know. Let's just get in here and see what we got. We got a lot of them to open. I thought about just getting this box and then flipping the whole thing, but that's not fun. That's not fun at all. I want to open these things. I'm always annoyed with the boxes. They need to have flaps so that people can reseal the box. Nope, they just have a little glue. It's annoying. I ain't gonna lie, these boxes are hella annoying. Like, they have all the little flap insert things. Are you supposed to like leave the flap up like this? Maybe. Alright, so you got the little bag. The funny thing is these little mystery minis are bobbleheads. I ain't even gonna try to guess. This one does have a large head. Alright, guys and gals. Our first one is, boom, Deadpool. I think. Did Deadpool have horns? So that's cool. First one out. Deadpool. This is gonna be a long video. Holy crap. I might have to do this in 2 parts. Surely there's an easier way to get this plastic off. Maybe not. I will be a pro by the end of this video, but for now, not so much. Second one. Boxes are dumb. Deadpool's head is like too heavy. Like looking down. He can't be sad because he's a zombie, and zombies don't have feelings. Or do they? Feels like the same thing. I think it is the same thing. Yeah. That kind of sucks. What if they were all Deadpool? Who's a 1 in 6? The low. Well, you know, I don't know how much these are worth. Looks like those will end up being gifts or giveaways. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Number 3. We got a long way to go. And a long time to get there. Oh. I don't think the other ones were open like that. Okay. We're hoping for the black and white Hulk. Or the Black Panther. Just to have something like that. Okay, this feels different. We got the Hulk. That's not the... Yeah, that's the 1 out of 6 one. That's cool. Hulk zombie. I've never taken a bobblehead out of box. I see people on videos, especially with Baby Yoda, they do that little... Now I understand, because it's freaking fun. A Hulk zombie would be terrifying. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine? Oh, okay, it was Venom. I was like, what is this one? You think he'd bite his own tongue off, though? Alright. Number 4. Black and white Hulk, please. Those first 2 boxes were different. There's much more glue, and this little flap right here was already inserted. I don't know, it feels like Hulk too. Yep. So we're back-to-back duplicates. I'm starting to feel like this wasn't a good idea to buy this. But it was a long time ago. So the money is gone. Lost but not forgotten. I was doing so good for a minute there, opening these up. I thought I'd figured it out. For Pete's sake. Okay. What did we get next? It's a lot of duplicates. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Number 5 is, boom! That's cool. Dr. Doom. I like this one. He's black and white, but his cape has holes in it. Does he stand? He does. Oh, kind of. He stands on his cape. Yeah, Dr. Doom is 1 out of 6. Okay. I'm running out of places to put these little boxes. Dr. Doom. Oh, you guys might want to see this up a little bit. I kind of did that pretty fast. Somebody made fun of me that when I do mystery boxes, I don't show the items long enough. I guess he's kind of levitating because his feet can't touch the ground. His helmet, I don't know if you can see it, it's got little dents in it. I only have one Batman mystery mini. Alright. I'm getting a little army of mystery minis. I don't know how I feel about that. Number 6 is What is Going On? Oh, this little bobblehead's much stiffer. I'm sensing a trend that doesn't make me happy. That there's going to be 2 each. Maybe that's a good thing. Maybe the last one in here will be like the epic one. I don't know. We'll see. I'll be right back. So far, all commons. I'm curious the value of these things. Very curious. Oh. It's not Doctor Doom. What an idiot I am. It's Magneto. Sorry about that. None of them have value yet on the pop price guide, so yay. Number 7. Will it be lucky number 7? Let us hope. So far we're not doing spectacular. 3 commons, 3 duplicates. Boom. Gambit. I believe that's a little bit more rare. Saving the package. I think that says 1. Yep, that one's 1 out of 12. I'm saying that wrong, but whatever. Back to the full plastic. And excessive amount of glue. Okay, so this one, like the first 2, has the tab inserted. So maybe we got another Deadpool. That would be awesome. Oh. Boom. That's cool. Wolverine. So we didn't get back-to-back Gambits, which is nice. This is my favorite one out of all of them. It's cool that his skeleton is the, whatever the name of that metal is. That's badass. That one's really cool. Let's see. The skeleton is shining, coming through. I like that one. Definitely my favorite out of all of them. But it's just a common. Just a common. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 7. Number 9. Nice. That makes me sad and happy. Black Panther. That's so cool. That was one of the more rare ones, I think. 1 in 24. Alright. 3 more to go. Still hoping for that black and white Hulk. Bittersweet to get that one. But I'm glad we did. Alright. Number 10. We got the black and white Gambit. Which the colored Gambit was more rare than this one. That's cool that we have both the Gambits. Little floppy head dudes. And these things fall over really easy. It's got this little freaking army of cheese. Come on, stop falling over, guys. Got a little army of mystery minis right now. I would hate if they came to life. Oh wait, I stand corrected. The black and white Gambit is not a comp. The black and white Gambit is actually 1 in 36. The Deadpool, maybe that's not Deadpool, I don't know. I better look that up. Jeez, I'm so stupid. You guys must have just been like, dude, quit saying Deadpool. Daredevil. We got 2 Daredevils, which are exclusives. Matt Murdock. Okay, so I'm not a super big Marvel fan. I've watched the movies, but apparently not enough. So I apologize for my stupidity. Oh, embarrassing. I can't wait to hear the comments. So we got 2 of the exclusives. And then the Wolverine. It's hard to tell. Let's see if I can tell from the pictures on here. If this glows in the dark, it is an exclusive. I don't know if it glows in the dark. So the Magneto one, exclusive. Daredevil, exclusive. Black and White Gambit and Black Panther, rare. We got 2 more to go. Gonna have to see if that Wolverine glows. That'd be pretty sick. The Hulk the black and white Hulk is the most rare, I believe. All right. Let's hope for a black and white Wolverine or Hulk. Number 11. Boom. There's Deadpool holding a taco. Knife through his head. Sorry about that, Daredevil, for calling you Deadpool. He's got a knife in his head and a knife stabbed through his chest. Why would a zombie be holding a taco, though? Come on. One more to go. One more chance at one of the rare ones. We got some good ones. For sure. I'm going to keep the Black Panther one. But the rest of them, if you want any of these, let me know. I generally ship PPG plus a couple dollars for shipping. Here we go. Last chance for a big hit. Boom. Nope. We doubled up on the Deadpool. So, what can you do? Still not too bad. I love the Wolverine. Love the Black Panther. The Magnetos and the black and white Gambit. Again, these don't have a price yet on Pop Price Guide. Suppose we could check eBay. So the Deadpool, somebody bought it for $5. The Wolverine and Black Panther, for two of them, somebody paid $25. Somebody paid $11.63 for the Gambit. And these are recent sales too. I do need to figure out if that Wolverine glows. These are actually selling for $8, $9, $10, $11. Somebody sold the entire case for $117. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Wow. The Daredevil sold for $30. Maybe the Daredevil has some value. So these things actually have some pretty decent value. Alright. Overall, that was fun. I haven't seen a Magneto. Let me put Magneto in here. That one might be a good one because nobody has it for sale. So I'm gonna pop that in there and see what happens. We might have scored big. Real big. I think we did pretty good, to be honest. Alright guys, wrap it up. Talk to you later. Peace.